Force date/time/clock sync. My Snow Leopard MacBook is set to set date and time automatically column Apple Americas/u.s.time.apple.com, but despite sitting idle for several hours, with internet connection, it has yet to do any syncing. The date remains off by 2 days.
From terminal. Sudo datetime.apple.com. Macos Catalina. Sudo sntpsspool.ntp.org.
For the dateman page, the accepted answer will become obsolete when date is retired. If you encounter this problem, this will do the equivalent. NTPD sets and maintains the system time of day in synchronism with Internet Standard Time servers. Q. Set the time and quit. Sources. This URL. This URL.
I ran these two commands on Mojave. Following this URL, following two answers on this URL.
The currently accepted answer does not work in Mojave, as date and co have been removed. See this excellent answer on the Apple Stack Exchange for up-to-date instructions.
Wir wam sposób podwyższamy plasy wam subscribing.